Hello everyone, and thank you for joining Happiness and Wealth Media. My name is Charlie. When I was 18, I moved to the United States from Ukraine with nothing. Right now, 10 years later, I'm one of the happiest small business owners on planet Earth. On this channel, I share what I learned from my personal experience building multiple businesses from scratch and being happy no matter what. Alright, in this video I'll share some tips on how to start a business that won't fail and only make profit. Does that sound too good to be true? Of course, I can't give you a 100% guarantee that my suggestions will work 100% of the time, but I can tell you with confidence that they will most likely help dramatically. By the way, if this is the first time you're on my channel and you want to learn how to achieve more happiness and wealth in your life, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, as a disclaimer, although I do life and business coaching, I'm not a certified financial advisor. So everything I'm going to share in this video is just my personal opinion for informational purposes only. Anything you decide to do with your own money or your own business is at your own risk and it's your own responsibility. So, having said all of the above, let's dive into the valuable content of this video. As you may have already heard, many businesses fail shortly after being launched. There are many different statistics on the internet that will give you the specific percentage of businesses that fail in each category within a certain time frame. You can also find data on why certain businesses fail, such as poor product or service offering, inconvenient location, bad customer service, running out of cash, or incompetitive pricing. So how can you actually start a business that won't fail? The factors I just mentioned play a big role, but in my opinion, there is only one main reason. It's very simple: not having enough customers. You can create an excellent product or service, but you won't be able to survive if you do not have enough paying customers. This is one of the few things that a business owner cannot directly control. For example, you can choose your business name, get all your licenses and permits, open a business bank account, choose your location, launch your website, hire great workers, introduce a new product design, and so on. But in most cases, you cannot directly choose how many customers are going to walk through your front door on any particular day and buy things from you. And that is the main reason why many smart and talented business owners end up in a difficult situation and either fail or almost fail. So how do we prevent this from happening? I have 4 very specific tips. First and foremost, do not underestimate the importance of research prior to actually launching your business or making any commitments. Thorough research can help you solve 99% of the problems even before they happen. Find relevant videos, articles, and forums in your business field to see what other business owners are saying about their challenges and how they solve them. What you probably know now is just the tip of the iceberg. If you truly want your business to succeed, you should know what's under the water. This will give you a huge advantage over your competitors who forget to thoroughly research the market and think as hopeless romantics. Oh, I'm going to start my own business. If that's all that matters to them, their chances of survival will be much lower than yours. And this brings me to my second tip. When you do your research, try to focus more on marketing and advertising, how specifically you're going to get clients or customers. Of course, the quality of your service is important, but it's too easy to get caught up in this. Make sure you're also putting enough time and effort into researching your advertising and marketing strategies. If you already are an established business owner like me, you probably know that some ads don't work as well as expected. And some advertising opportunities are equal to washing your money down the toilet. Once again, you need to research this and have a clear strategy on how exactly people will be able to find out about your business, along with some backup strategies in case your main plan does not work for some reason. This will maximize your chances of survival and achieving great success. My third tip is a logical continuation of my second tip. Once your business is up and running, you should always keep searching and be open to new marketing opportunities and strategies. If you are not doing that, somebody else who is will likely outcompete you eventually. Make sure to also connect with other fellow business owners so you can help each other out with referrals. My next tip is to reduce your financial burden and potential debt by starting a business that would not require you to take a big risk. If this is your first business and you don't have too much spare cash, Perhaps you should first consider starting an online store instead of opening a physical shop, or being a party promoter instead of opening your own nightclub. This way, if something doesn't work out, you won't have as much to lose, so it would be hard to consider that as a failure. And there are many great business opportunities with good potential that do not require a large investment, such as affiliate marketing, graphic design, social media management, bookkeeping, tutoring, video editing, mobile vehicle scratch repair, cleaning services, pet walking, and so on. This topic probably deserves a separate video. If you're a true entrepreneur with a business mind, I guarantee you can build a business of almost anything. As a conclusion of this video, and to make a long story short, research is king. I sincerely believe that if you do your homework before actually launching your company, your chances of success will be much greater than what is shown in the statistics. Let me know if you agree in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for similar content. For those of you who might need more personal attention, please feel free to email me at happinessandwealthmedia@gmail.com. I do life coaching and business consulting, and it would be my pleasure to help. Thank you everyone for watching, and I wish you happiness and wealth.